Hi everyone, my name is Valentina and I'm a blogger, and at the same time I own a company that accompanies people on their way to Germany. And last year I started growing my business and started hiring people. Now I have 5 people working towards the same cause, and I realized that I had some really big challenges being a leader, so to manage a team and to be a real leader. And since I've been knowing Mika since I guess 1.5 years already, I knew what he was doing, and I really liked the idea of participating in this Leadership Basecamp, leadership training. It helped me, first of all, to get to know cool people, also leaders or future leaders, or some people with leadership roles. It was a really big fun to talk about some stuff, to share the knowledge, to get to know new stuff also. And for me, my biggest challenge was to, I think, understand what kind of leader I am, how I react to what kind of situations, like am I good cop or bad cop, and so on, and what kinds of leaders do actually exist. And this training helped me to realize a lot about leadership itself and understand the basics. Understand the basics of communication in the team, of conflict solving and conflict management. And I really like the atmosphere and the way how Mika was doing it, like the easygoing, positive stuff. I really like it.